Thank you for joining us for the weekly wrap-up. I'm Bianca Pantoja. Student chefs cooked up some serious competition, and now their recipes are headed to school lunch menus across the district. The heat was on. 6 students from across the district stepped into Central Kitchen for the 3rd annual Recipe and Cooking Contest. Hosted by our Nutrition Services Department, these students were selected for their delicious yet healthy recipe submissions for a chance to have their winning dish served on every school's lunch menu. Each contestant brought their culinary skills to the table, but in the end, one dish stole the show. A flavorful vegetarian biryani prepared by Ganeet Kaur from Independence High School.
I wanted to participate because in my family, cooking has always been something special, and I just wanted to showcase my culture, and I wanted to bring a dish to my school that was vegetarian because as growing up, I wanted to see something vegetarian in my school menu, and I hope to bring that with my dish.
We also want to recognize our other young chef finalists for a job well done. 2nd place went to Emily Sains from Shafter, 3rd, Marianne Lopez from Bakersfield High, and our talented runner-ups included David Chavez from Shafter, Aria Williams from Miramonte, and Mariana Rodriguez from Foothill. Congratulations to our talented chefs, and a big thank you to our judges for tasting their way through some tough and tasty competition. Don't forget, keep an eye on your school's menu to see these winning recipes featured real soon. At CTEC, pharmacy technician students are getting a real shot at success. Thanks to a national grant, 20 students had the unique opportunity to become nationally immunization certified.
It's very exciting because in class we do practice with the Jell-O, and we still go over this material, but it's just not the same when you're actually practicing on a real person, real skin, and then leaving with legit American Pharmacists Association, PTCB, nationally certified certification, which means you can have access to work anywhere in the country and immunize real people and help build their immunities from diseases that are out there.
With expert supervision from a local pharmacist from Komodo Pharmacy, our students are not only boosting their resumes, but they are boosting community health one immunization at a time. Through his leadership and drive, Thomas Woods is leaving his mark at Bakersfield High School. He currently serves as ASB president, but has balanced academics, athletics, and service at the highest level. Over the past few years, Thomas' involvement with Virtual Enterprise helped him discover his strong interest in finance, an experience that helped shape his future career aspirations.
It's scary when you get to your senior year, like, what am I going to do? And so I think it's very important for people to start thinking, where am I going to be the happiest in 10 years?
For Thomas, that reflection helped guide his passion for business, communication, and leadership. Senior year, he took a chance and joined the mock trial and forensics team, another program that quickly became a personal favorite.
I joined this my senior year. Unfortunately, I wish I joined in my freshman year. Our mock trial and forensics team, it's an amazing program. That's been a very great time, but what I've learned from that is just the ability to communicate with others and being able to be patient when you don't agree with someone and learning how to communicate with others in a comfortable environment.
Outside of school, Thomas has been involved with Leaders in Life, 4 Dream Builders, and was awarded the opportunity to be a Bank of America student leader. It was during that experience where he was surrounded by other high-achieving students that he realized success is not defined by achievements.
What I realized was it's not about the accomplishments that they have. It's about my own journey of learning about new knowledge, new information. I think learning is really what sparked my curiosity to get a part of these activities.
Upon graduation, Thomas plans to attend Gonzaga University on a full-ride scholarship, majoring in business administration with a concentration in economics and law and public policy. And he's even considering law school in the future. In these last 4 years, Thomas has made every step count. And as he takes his next steps beyond Bakersfield High School, we know he'll carry the driller spirit with him every step of the way. From classic rides to modern muscle, the 2nd annual L.I.S.T.O.S Car Show at Independence High School brought car enthusiasts and the community together in a big way. Last Friday, guests enjoyed a festive atmosphere with plenty of family fun. L.I.S.T.O.S is a leadership program that provides students with mentorship opportunities to achieve academic, career, and personal success. All proceeds from the event support the club's mission to provide cultural, educational, and social opportunities for the Latino student members. This week, we sent an extra special thank you to our school principals in celebration of Principal Appreciation Day, recognized on May 1st. Principals, we appreciate your dedication, leadership, and commitment to our staff, students, and families. Each day, you go above and beyond to create a nurturing, supportive, and inspiring learning environment where students can grow and thrive. Thank you for leading by example, for your vision and innovation, and for always putting the needs of our students first. You are the heart and soul of our school community, and we are incredibly proud to have you at the helm. We extend our gratitude for all that you do today and every day. Thank you. Thank you for watching the KHSD Weekly Wrap-Up. To see more videos from across the district, please visit the Kern High School District Public Information Office YouTube channel. And don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.